that to my friends. Yeah, falling in love with everybody you know. Yeah, that's what I do. That's what I do.
Welcome back to my channel. I can't wait to show everybody what I came up with today. Please enjoy. So here's the deal. It's either I crush this hairstyle or I embarrass myself trying to crush it. Either way, you don't lose. You get to laugh out of my embarrassment if I mess this up. So stay with me, okay? Just stay with me. We want to make sure our hair is prepared, right? Because these clippings are going to be in for about 3 to 4 days. So go in with that leave-in conditioner and that oh my gosh oil or whatever sealing oil you have right there. I've got this, so we're gonna get busy. And then this. So I am just going to start off like this. For my big hair people, this part is so important because you want to tease the hair to the point that it gains a lot of volume, that when you clip it in, you barely need to do anything else to the hair again. So what I'm doing here is just detangling from the roots like I would with my natural hair. Just be gentle. I did realize that for really short hair, you don't really have to part because the hair is so short, there is a possibility that the clippings might even slip if not placed properly. So you might have a better chance of hooking it in blindly there. But then again, find what works for you. As I begin building up on the clipping, you'll see what I'm talking about manipulating the hair off your head is way easier than clipping it in and then trying to struggle with detangling or teasing the hair. Because if you have shorter hair like me, there's a chance it's going to easily slip off your head, right? Even though you have fuller or longer hair, you can try this method. Comb out and tease the hair, volumize the hair before you clip it in, and you see how beautifully it's building up already. Getting to the front closer and closer, you want to start making reasonably clean parts just so you can have room to experiment with different styles, you know, give the style a more natural look, do your ups and downs, your side parts, your middle parts, just make it reasonably clean. So now you guys see I began to fill in the right side gradually. I still have some in the middle left, a lot in the middle actually, and then I'm gonna start filling up this side. So I'm gonna make it go like C now. My hair is really black. You should know that. Like, people always ask me, did you dye your hair? I'm like, never ever. I've never dyed my hair. This is my natural hair color, but we are going to make this work, okay? Stick with me. I struggled a bit with the front of my hairline because I have really thick hair but a very tender scalp, and I wanted to avoid any excess pulling, basically, any excess pulling. You can tell I was getting so excited because the hair was turning out so good. The volume was on check, length on check, you know, blending on check. I was so happy. Just to make sure I don't overdo it with measuring by my eyesight, I went ahead to clipping the very top part so I could get that out of the way, and I could just fill in the rest in the middle with the rest of the clippings I had, just to avoid ending up at the top without any clippings to clip in. I found a big old spot that I had apparently missed, and it was too big to let go or overlook, so I went in with the tiny bits and fluffed it up, volumized it, and then clipped it in, and it was just perfect. Look at how clean this style is. I am so happy with how it's turning out, you guys. I am so happy. Again, my first time trying clip-ins, and I am so happy. Thank you to Heritage 1933 for sponsoring this video. What I'm doing now is prepping my top bun, putting the clip-ins, one on either side. I'm just using two small pieces. I'm gonna comb it out and tease it so it's full enough, so it's not too big and not too little at the same time. I'm basically forming a circle around it. You see what I'm doing? And there. You guys, yes. So, woo, am I tired? This is the first way you can wear the hair if you don't want to style it any further, you know. I like this bow because it's just cute, and I love pronouncing my baby face in any way I can. You can put the bow in front or behind, and yes, it is so full. I'm so glad that I combed out each weft before I clipped in because it makes a whole difference. Look at this. Do you see how full it is? It is so full! Like, it is so full. And I still have a few bundles. Not a few bundles. I love big hair, but tonight is just not it. Like, this hair is pretty full for me already. I really love this clip-ins Heritage 1933. They are awesome. I can't wait to step out in this. I do plan to twist my hair and, you know, see the results in the morning. So that's how I plan to wear my hair. So still stay tuned. I have to admit, I was so nervous about taking it down because I thought I wasn't going to get bomb twist out results, and I was really nervous about it. So, which is why this was basically a first time tutorial, a first time kind of trial for me, and I was like, it's gonna be a hit or a miss. But I'm sure you guys can tell I have a good feeling about it. Anyway, if you've seen the intro of this video, then the secret is already out anyway. We got amazing results. I was impressed, to say the least. Now, please just pay close attention. I want you to see how defined these curls are. And this was me just doing a quick and go twist, you know. I didn't detangle a second time before twisting. I used very little leave-in conditioner. I used no water, and I got these amazing results. Pay attention to how defined these curls are. And this is kinky hair. This is 4C hair. Excuse you. We're finally taking down the hair at the back, you guys. I will keep on saying it. I am impressed. I am impressed. I am impressed with this hair. Now, let's get to the bomb part of this video.